Hi, Waukegan. I'm Nicholas Alexakis, Director of Communications for Waukegan Public Schools, and this is 60 and 60 for the week of March 2nd. This week, we're highlighting kindergarten registration events, sharing an upcoming parent workshop, on social media, recognizing a great basketball season, and more. Our kindergarten registration is continuing for the 26-27 school year. Families whose children are currently enrolled in our EPIC preschool program can register now through the parent portal. For families with children not currently enrolled in EPIC, the district will host 3 kindergarten registration events beginning next week, where staff will help parents complete the registration process. The first event is March 14th at Whittier Elementary from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Visit our website for details and to schedule an appointment. Our district's bilingual multicultural department, in partnership with the BPAC, is hosting the next session in the Academia 60 Parent Education Series. Join them on Thursday, March 12th for the impact of social media on today's youth, presented by psychologist Dr. Fernie Ramirez. The workshop will explore how social media influences children and teens and provide practical strategies for healthy and responsible digital use. Families may attend in person at the Brookside campus or join virtually. Visit our website for more details. Congratulations to the Waukegan High School basketball team on a great season. The team finished this season as regional champions for the second year in a row and battled hard all season. While their run ended in the sectional semifinal, we're proud of the Bulldogs and the effort they showed all year long. That's all for this week. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to check back weekly for all the news and events happening in Waukegan Public Schools.